Hey people, so these are one of those random videos we do, and Ayush, this luxury where can you have? Only with your mummy. So these are two rabbits, and then I don't know where the white ones are. Oh, the white ones are sitting with this white bowl, or I don't know, they're making a mess, but it's just fun. Ayush, are you keen to watch a film? Should we go? No, right? Yeah, even I want to chill, yeah, है ना? And because I made this yummy parathas, they're seriously yummy, na? है ना Ayush? Aren't they now yummy? And then after a while, you want me to take you to Domino's? My God, this is the one child on earth who's so bored with the idea of going to a pizza place. But yeah, that's how it is. And this one is doing a binky right now. Binky Queen. What do we do with you? I'm not sure. Abba, look at her doing the Superman. The two ladies are out with the puppies. Luckily, the weather is good, so I'm just happy about that. So, yeah. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.